how to hide posts on Instagram. Now let's say you want to hide your post on Instagram so that it won't be able to show on your profile page. All you have to do is to click on your profile icon, and let's say I want to pick this post specifically to hide. All I have to do is to click on these three dots right here on the upper corner. And now I can choose between deleting the post right here or archiving the post. Now in order for me to archive that, all I have to do is to click on this button right here. And I can also do this on other posts right here. Now for you to be able to see where your post was hidden, all you have to do is to click on these three dots right here and then click on archive. Now you just have to go and click on this button right here and go to post archives. Now you will be able to see the hidden posts that you have on Instagram. You can also restore them by clicking on these three dots right here and then clicking on show on profile. And now it has been restored. So that's how to hide posts on Instagram.